Okay, let's see what we got. So what we're doing is shooting a match ELR and these 300 Norma mag with a 250 A-tips. I was shooting them and the jacket was spinning off, so I shot them too hot or they're spinning too fast. I don't know, but whatever it is, I'm not gonna waste the cartridge, the load and everything. So I'm just gonna take them out and see what's wrong. I'm gonna replace them with the Berger Hybrid 245 grains. So let's use this. Pull that bullet out. Let's see. We got a couple grains of powder hanging statically, I guess. Put those back in the case. Get rid of that bullet. Put that one, and then later we're just gonna seat them and reshoot them, see what happens. I'm using that RCBS. I don't even know what it's called. It's the one you pull out the bullets. And I got the Frankfurt Arsenal, their new press. I like it.